because the spirits don't have dominion or domain here without a physical presence. So ohia ni pedua na abeshemu, and obewura ni pedua na mu a the voice and the structure of the face changes.
Ebusia wonim se abefunim de ena sesei ewoso wonim se wontimi bibia ewo wiase sesei abra wonfo abefunim de emfa nka ho wosan so enim se sesei no ebesonsum nsam so a abefunim de asan agbewremu ana aso daye wonti ase wodaye so ache wodaye so entimi mbem enonchi enene me kanfo prophet Dr. Abenego ediama ono ena onyankopon enam ne so na ode abefu ewremu ewo sunsun semu a ode ji Yankopon emma edi from how ene mamane ene omatiti mu erunti onyankopon ena mane so edi a new spiritual science technology edi ababontin aye freno aye castoplanto technologies beba cha wo hwe prophet Dr. Abenego owo insam adwagiri castoplanto technologies, casting out negativities and planting in positivities.
Abusian for ya sanso atwa ho ababie mu se dem di ka ye no Dr. Aykrado ewa ha mon kam ho na ye mana kwa ba na ye fe nkomo den so. Dr. Mohammed ye mo kwa ba de ba too much GHS.
Me da se ma me apome.
Eradi adom na nso e.
Ho ye.
Na sitina mu sabi abrabomu ni ade enso ni nyina ekosai.
Eko fine, perfect.
Perfecto. Ai pa. Na doctor, and then send be ha Ghana for. And nti ni ye de asoma mi nko ade se mitimi biebie mu na ye wi abobo ne posa de ama wo. Ne nyina no eye sabi enne ahomboni bebre. Enipa binum wo hono mu a wo mo yade a wo mo nim se sabi nyame honhom. Nanso wo bebu awura mi na eye familiar spirit bi na use. Enti ye bewie ni ye betimi ehu ni se eye na eye familiar spirit na se eye beyi ankasa. Ene de ye bo apini wi na wonim honhom no adosu kono. Fa ye wura mu na ye hu de ye bekwa akosi.
Yo, first of all, I'll use this medium to say hi to everybody, and I have been on this platform before, and I say thank you, personally you and your crew, and I also give thanks to my church viewers, my students out there. The word witchcraft, you know, what say? Ghana, Africa, a cardiac who are Emma Yentumpo.
Hey,
the understanding, the application, the perception is totally wrong.
Wow.
Naturally, Beye and Kasa Eyenshra.
Hey,
Beye is a blessing.
I didn't see the money.
And Obia so ever Beye.
Nipa Bia Bay.
Wow, me. Wow, because we are by four.
And as I said, I was here by four.
Cassiapa.
Oh, okay.
So, Obiara ever Beye. Na akankasa na mo ebinom mo si abeye obi a wa beye e na oye by four. But let me open up. Obe wonu so obi a e by four. By four eyo obi a nyame a owo ni mu no ayeden akenya no. Tumi a ewo ni mu akenya no. A otimi yeden otimi hu ade a wa o tumi ni ankenya wo no ontimi hu. Otumi ya ade a wa o dia na ankenya no ontumi nye. So no. Witchcraft is a neutral force. Witchcraft is a neutral energy. Enya positive and enya negative. But obia opposes sa to me. Obia ne dia na awake no. Sa ne pa kono and all determine say ne dia ne be positive and I say e be negative. Sikan negative and say positive.
Sikan two ni na negative and positive.
See? Ejaswe.
Ejaso sa ni na pepe.
So do witchcraft. So witchcraft is a neutral force. So what do you say? Na would you ekenya no ho a wadwene which is the consciousness a okura no. On the nipa bia no in the mental plane no. Your 3 dimensions of the mind. Okay? Your conscious mind wo your subconscious mind wo and your super conscious mind so there.
And so
Fine. So the conscious mind is what we are deliberating right now. It's what we are talking about right now. If you say me no kasa, only me say me kasa. Me boa. Yeah, didn't come on. So the conscious mind is aware of this presence. Is aware of it. The subconscious mind is not aware. You personally, you are not aware of the things that is happening in your subconscious mind.
Wow.
And the superconscious mind is nearer to the spiritual world. And she say, you know, some catch will say, who was spiritual marriage? That's the most some small factors be. The superconscious mind, which is the subconscious mind, will magnetize that information.
Wow.
And magnetize that information. Obenyano, amaneni. Enia, no, push up the superconscious mind. Oda na wusunda is obedi muda.
Not just a warm more crown and ye becano, no magic, no more name.
And the bay na a woman, and no bay to me in the bed, obey yard, or not an enemy. Not any not any power. So, Timmy, now a very good diano, almost you soon purposely for negative.
Oh, yeah, my mother has said,
you see, purposely for negative. And because of almost an Kenyano, already you know they are negative minded. Omu ye binu mu a omu ni positive mind. Omu ye binu mu a omu positivity no. Akọ lawu, we be say lawu. So no, and the negative no kwa omu ndwini nipa ho adwene mpa. Omu ndwini nipa ho adwene mpa. They be negative. And the beyen e kanya no ho a na akwa negative. So what you see? And you say be ka pa be ye nshira. Be ye idea o say ye adore. Be ye idea o say ye the longing for. We need to yearn for witchcraft. Oka brochira, omo festival friend Halloween. Halloween no. Is they do Halloween before Christmas. Oh festival be festival.
What be festival no matuni dinsa.
Halloween, yeah.
Oma broflies and so am.
Because they know what witchcraft is. They know witchcraft is not a sin. But ye be mind you are dear friend no. Hypnotism. What is hypnotism? Hypnotism is to feed somebody with wrong information for that information to have an effect on the person. And see, sorry, 90% deliverance was on hypnotism. It's not real. Nenta me can say. Would I share the packet because of me by four and I say, won't be able to run but the same voice, the same person. You know what I'm saying? Say, no, ever wura or no, what borrow body. Because the spirits don't have dominion or domain here without a physical presence. So, on here, and the voice and the structure of the face changes.
Now where the Nippon done who cry, oh leave me
so just pray to do sign any about deliverance our church, yet the problem is still there. So what you must say you know, upia, met by the Muslim time, met by my workers away pay for. When Mamma Kaswaka, who know who mammy, who know who was missing, is hypnosis. So they can hypnotize you to say a lot of things. On also no crampon, and that's only malam no crampon, on him so hypnotizing. Because on this are any deal. And the bay and yes small thing. Witchcraft, God is wizard. Yankopon or a wizard. Because wizard and witchcraft is obia all who are there beyond imagination.
Yeah.
Obia all who need. Only chi, only fa, only bimbo. Yankopon on him near webanas on him.
On him bibia.
Into a wife or a day.
I know the muye do. Just a while. And they say, Yame, where to me. We see. By for you, obia only ni chi, ni fan, any bimbo, so and info. Yeah. And the Yankopon whose side dimension now as well. And to where the old boy is a who and that's all. Oh, who and to a day. They come once a year. Dr. Mohammed, you see, but in Africa, no, you are tarnishing the image of that thing, and until they are bread. Because we, the blacks, our source of energy, our source of powers, our source of God is witchcraft. te we see etimi so na baba na ye krokro no.
Oh no, why? At the contrary, when say we are the gods on earth.
Samu.
Yen beautiful. Why is science kakra?
Ai ba man kom di.
Okay, I mean, do you know the component of this universe? Or universe? Adia force a kaboma a forming universe.
That is all chile.
Force a kaboma a forming this universe in Indiana. Air 3. Neutrons, protons, and what? Atoms.
Oh, I know the okay can bomba.
So these 3 things are the combination of the universe. And Usha Yang Nipano, your general, Yan Nipa before, your general. There were 6 protons, 6 neutrons, and 6 atoms. And there's 6. And a provocator is a satanic. So they are telling you your origin is devil, your origin is satanic. So Amabi before we will forever remain slaves to them.
Not just say now. No,
so the white came from we the blacks. So we the blacks, we have melanin. We have something called melanin, which is why we are more natural. We are more perfect. Whenever a black man wants to do things, he makes sure. So you know or perfect.
Sure.
Because we are gods on earth. But on himself, Obroni, any history, Obroni, any civilization started here. Egypt.
Yeah.
Blacks.
Maybe
yes, Africa.
Africa now. What shall come on who said the aircon? Not said the bay yen aircon. What the cow? No, Maya, when I'm the Ashawama.
And me catch it. We are the wizards.
Yeah.
We are the witchcraft. Before. Because civilization is Egypt, Africa. So pyramid or Egypt. Our Obroni to me up to date. Why? The manuscripts are up to date. Egypt. You see how powerful we are. And they say, no, we see Bible. See what is Bible when we are talking about God?
Oh, so
do you know Bible?
What
is the meaning of even Bible? The Bible, you were Tanakh, you were Talmud, you were the Negro Bible. You see, so the Bible is a scripture, but the Bible cannot decide for you what to do. Are you listening to me? The Bible is a story that tells you the life of other people. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Fine. So a black man, listen to me, listen to this context. Black man, why would you accept a book which has been given to you by your slave master and laying your life on it? I'm not talking of only Bible. I'm talking about only the scriptures. Are you listening to me?
Yeah.
So you are not thinking, which is why we are suffering. So if I come out to tell you, you are God within you, the witchcraft within you, make sure you spark the witchcraft, then you become the God. Listen, you call Bible in Genesis. Yango Bossy, he made man in his own image and likeness, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fine. He said, Satan, ni Yankupon, why they pay any person?
Oh, you pay us.
Fine. And the Satan, why they say in Dinichi? Satan, ni why they didn't congratulate.
The honey dear, and you are some
Yamano. Satan, why they didn't call Emma Adesama.
A brave and come and say Satan, a baby ran of
fine, and to say Satan, I didn't cry, and to Satan, why they say Dinichi.
There you are not so soon. I mean, doctor, Amati.
Bible, Bible, Kurana. Yankupon, or born a body, you know. Or catch Adam and Eve. Say, and you are buying young but made Dinia, name,
the old medal,
your own medal. What is the fruit of what? Good and bad.
Yeah.
Wisdom. Your medal, no, also in the back, medal, no, Edna Made, or Basi.
Hey,
we will come to that, you understand. Or Chino say, Mamundi, Namudia Mubeding, Mubu.
Not as the idea
Yebu. And the Satan. Or one or buy it, and Obeka say, Yakubomboa. Oh, maybe Yamu. Satan and God, they are brothers.
Friends or siblings?
Not siblings. Let me say, I'm going to say, Ebunomusi, Yanko Pony, Bani Satan. Ebunomu, but me, Minjindi, they are brothers.
Okay.
Utimi. What's a Mudia Mubu? Timmy, and I say, Tamba, say, Mudia Moon. They will move by yet to send me.
Yeah.
Move by yet to send me. When you be, move home, Papa, who bonny. Yes, sir.
Sabe,
fine. Omo your movie.
Woman, who but Omu,
yes, I did be a woman, and a daddy or and so and don't move, but I said it's all.
Says, honey, dear,
and the Omo won't change any kind. Or sin or Nippon, I yet to say yang. Or say Oniparo, I done to say yang binimu. Let us only Panada than said, on Yami. And to say, Obi Etra says civilizing. Kenya who Mawen in the hall, or Pewassos and also town.
Oh, you're down.
And to say Tampayas was another time.
There be some.
Oh, simple. Yaku would dear over. And almost so dear. Omo.
Now, Chile, we said, Diana, seeing fin, what
Mr. Omo. Tell me, Omo. So what you say? Omo. Or say Mudia will and I say, so let's see the virtues after the eating. What happened?
They didn't die.
And the God can say, the man has become like one of us. So he was not talking of death. He was talking of that. Their ignorance is going to die and their enlightenment will do what? Will spark. Listen to me. So the ignorance of not knowing that they are God was dead and gone. And they became, yes, and they became like God. For apple, what's a fruit no? The apple, for apple, for apple, chemumio. Let's show apple. I said, Daddy. Maybe sour dear. I said, Daddy. Daddy. I see. I was saying, which is why they use the apple as a symbol of the tree. Because actually, God or whoever wasn't talking about what a fruit,
but he was
but
talking
the
about
precious thing.
The precious
thing. The beer, the manufacturer of all being.
A free buy, yes.
A free buy.
So
when they go there, they will civilize. Their eyes is going to open. They will see the truth. They were naked. They didn't know that they were naked because they were ignorant of their nakedness. They were ignorant of their what? Their wisdom, their knowledge, their knowing, their insight, their intellect, and everything. So the God in Bible wanted you to be ignorant all the time, to bow before Him. I'm not the one saying it. I'm not the one saying it. It is in the Bible. Jesus said the kingdom of the Father is within you. What does that mean?
The
kingdom is within you. What does that mean? Say, I hear no more. We are there. We are young, so we are young, but we are there. We free. Me broke. Without simple question. Before creation, say be any. I mean, quite all. And say, then I am or the year about Jenia. Without simple question. So afraid, and I'm afraid. Near me, what we are seeing now. And before we Friday, that is I didn't will be as a Friday number. No, so now way. And until that, maybe some question that way. So, no, dear, send me up by here. I will say, we are part and particles of God. We are God on earth, and we are God in spirit. Doctor, and the bay, you know, and then Yamino. When you awake the before within you, the third eye within you, which is here, will spark. You are here, you feel the presence of everything. Also, will be and do with a guy. Oh, so for one day, and for man of ya on the Wahuko. But so many beyond the wood drive. Only drying your Doctor, what can I say be said? A year a bra now, a year a true honum night, the anything fin, that's a watch the moor. Nippani, I didn't know many tea. And Tina says, see, Anna on Bible, no sing, a young one shas as a so man, a man, the old can amico.
nyame mpɛ sɛ yɛ ni bebie sɛ na de wu kan kyerɛ mu a wo yɛ virgin wani mi ade sɛ wokodi dia wo be hu niema mu nyina saa na wo pa kyerɛ
na yɛ wo hye asase ne ma no sanka yɛ Satan anka Yankopɔn bɛ tro sa scripture
ɛno na menti ase
enti sanka yɛ Satan ɛna o ma Adam and Eve ba wiase a yɛ de awo ahye asase ne ma me bi sa wo sanka yɛ Satan a Yesu amu Kristofo ka sɛ obewui ɛna odi ni ka sɛ obeti yɛ nkwa anka yɛ Satan anka sa de be ba
sanka manso nka yɛ de yɛ
why the man Yankopɔn ni prophecy for feeling
doctor
me bi sa
won sem ne mu
no
say
why the man Yankopɔn prophecy for feeling
metimi aka say Satan
enti Satan o yɛ bona na so yɛ papa
wo yɛ bone
why the born why the born
nyame na bo Satan
enti nyame na bo bone
doctor wo re baby a wo di bi wura no
me say why the bo Satan
nyame na bo
enti san ko yɛ papa nko be kono
se sabra wo bo no wo yɛ papa
enti why the man dane bone
onto se o peso yɛ ti se
why the man dane bone
nyame na nko
yɛ ni suban why the boy eni yɛ eni suban
na se na nyame wo de ne ho
me say why the boy eni yɛ eni suban
nyame
enti nyame ebo eni yɛ tantan ene eni yɛ bone ya eni suban bone ya wo si nyame wanyɛ ni yi na Yankopɔn onim se Satan o ba yɛ bone ni
so ru de
onim eni so onim ena o ja Satan ona bo yɛ bone ni ya why the man yɛ bone
se wo sa sa ne mani timi bam na nyame
enti ade Yankopɔn yin ankunu enfiri ho
da bi wo pese o timi bu ya tan
enti se Yankopɔn so o pese o bu ya tan a na se Yankopɔn yɛ wicked pa because Yankopɔn nim say Satan o yɛ bone ya ni Satan obedane ya adwene na Yankopɔn o tumi se o be ku Satan na wo nkunu enfiri wiase wo se o pese o boy atan a Yankopɔn yɛ wicked se me misa wo misa wo ba wo nkola na wo se wo nkola wo mu kɔ ha on beto agedi mu on be yeden obi obibi beto mu na wo tumi a wo betumi ayeden ayi ade na efiri ho wo be ye efiri ho na so yi
o be mo ma ko pra na ma ye ni yi ama
wo be mo ko pra na wo ye ma boni pa
da bi anu da ye nyam ne be ba no
na enyumunya no ediba wan so
aba me
eba wo so wo be nya da efiri ho enyumunyam eba je bo wa baso a wo bunya enyumunyam because ya bo wa baso and why the boy am ya baso
ya de worship
wo boy am ya baso na ye de den
mane ye kese mane
na oye kese a wine na beton wine na be den
oye kese sa na
oye kese a wine na ni beji
ye nyina ni beji
o ni dia na ye ni den enti Yankopɔn eni dia na ye ni den
se na ni dia sa
na Yankopɔn eni pati se wo
dabi
because obi a wo eni dia bia no o watan
so
obi a tie mi enti ngiba Yankopɔn obi a wo eni dia bia no o sadness
yeah
so you are given an attribute of man to God and God is infinite God is beyond God is beyond hatred beyond love beyond whatever God is a natural force
yeah
and the one you are talking of the Yahweh tetragrammaton God in Bible obia injustice of that God David papa no from the Krampo David papa no mu friend say no Solomon papa is David right David wa kokko boni dwaman wa boni dwaman a wa wo ba wa fa obi njiri ene wo sa kuni pa kunu wa boni wa fa ne pa kunu ene mo wo ba me bisa wo ma akola no me David wa na ye boni
oh say no de
bisa wa na ye boni
ya ba fa ne say
wa na ye boni
doctor she
wa na ye boni wa kuni pa wa sa fa ne yere o we ne ka ho enti ono ne abofra no wa na di boni
ono
enti wa na nko se ntwe na so
o san ka nipa no ne atwa
enti abofra no ye den na Yankopɔn twe na so ne yare ye ena o ku no ka ho
won hwe
me bisa wo
bia ne apama woni nyame wo
oh me bisa wo boni bai na abofra na ye abofra no woti ne baby ena mu David wo dwambo ena wo kotama abofra na bai abofra wa ye den
o ye innocent
ana ntino betwe na so
se duru bia na me kire se wo bia ne se de woni nyame ntam setie enti ni se wo bi bo abrabo bi na hu ne se nipa na bo abrabo bi se enti ni wo kwaso enti ukoye bia wo be mistake because David no nyame say he is a man after ono no nyame ne heart so no matter what no
enti so ye boni kura ba Yankopɔn
boni ne wo ho but
ana me kire se boni ne wo ho no wo no wa adwene mu no obi a wadi boni ene obi a wandi boni why na obetwe na so
de wadi boni no
na de Yankopɔn twe na so
abusia fa yanko moni nsi
wo be si ha
ya de besi na ne akọ ne be hada pebre ne aba eno me ba me Bible na ti say na wasiesie hu ne awura mu pa esanse ne no ye ho akire ye na je be fa me sa for last number 2 da
okay ma se ma me de betu to no say all these things that we are talking about we are trying to let people know that we are not an ordinary beings we are God on earth whenever we lay our life for scriptures. Man kase menye mpacho planti miye. But young who say we are beyond the scriptures. We shouldn't let the scriptures things for us. Say all the scripture edibet to her. Now with the carnal mind, spiritual mind, edibet to swa, the scripture will shake. You understand what I'm saying? Logic, what about to reasoning, what about to what is spiritual mind to swa, the scriptures will shake. You see? So sometimes we should use it as reference, or we shouldn't use it as what? A map towards God.
Doctor, so number so come home.
Okay, Obi officer friend Bia, but my friend was 02414 931 43 02414 931
43 ya bada se na ya sanso aka se nyame nhirawo nyame nyo kese omo akoma so ade nyina mre abusuafo ha na brema akwan ma ye de yenkomo ni nyina no asiye sade atie no yesi wani a wani mie yo nti ese be frase ya wo am ye ni abie nyame agye atum momi yenwo ni yenwo hya asase so ma na sade atie me director wo be hyase ya wo empress so be wo e de ama e medium just so ye ba ko pe e just so hima makwa